So Amelia is one of the only events where you can pre-stage your car the night before, which allows us to do kind of like a preliminary detail prior to the day of, final setup for the show. And the morning of the show, you can touch up the cars one last time, wipe off the dew, and you have about an hour or so, depending on when you get there. But once judging starts, you can't touch the cars anymore.
That's right before we epoxy primed it, but there was nothing left. These cars were thin to begin with, and it was pretty. This was actually, it's one of the most simple but difficult interiors we've ever restored. He had a radio program for BP, and he just dominated GT racing in the car. All the Carrera GTLs had different gas tanks. Almost every one had a different formula and different tank. All of them were riveted GT tanks.
And this is a class winner in the Class P, which is the Porsche Rare Aluminum Cars. I mean, this is as rare as it comes. This is a 356, believe it or not, at some point in its life. It's got a Carrera engine, which is the 4-cam engine, which was nicknamed after the Carrera Panamericana. It was an engine that was that Carrera meaning race, and then styled and bodied with this lightweight aerodynamic Zagato body, which was done by what I consider to be one of the greatest designers of all time, Franco Scaglione. At that time,
Next year we're bringing shorts, man.
He's bringing shorts so we don't have to wear pants?
Yeah, next year we're bringing shorts.